can I invite onto the stage, please, Manisha Patankat-Maiskar, who's the Secretary, Urban Development Department in Maharashtra. Ma'am, why don't you know, she needs to come to the stage. Ma'am, please come to the stage. Amit ji, aap bhi aa jaiye. Hi, ma'am. So, you need to stand out here and we need to have the camera on you. So, I believe there is something that you wish to announce.
Thank you so much. I am Manisha and I am here representing my state, the state of Maharashtra. Under the leadership of our Chief Minister, the dynamic Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, we are all, sir, totally committed to the movement, to the campaign of Swachh Bharat. In Maharashtra, we call it Swachh Bharat Maharashtra campaign. Before I take the pledge, I would like to say that till now in Maharashtra, we are focusing not just on construction of toilets, but the focus is on ODF communities. Since morning, there has been a lot of discussion on toilets get built but don't get used. So our focus is on ODF, that is the open defecation free communities. And by 26th of January, sir, we will be able to announce 50 townships who will be completely ODF.
Oh, 50 townships.
50 townships by 26th Jan. And when we come, when you have this program next year, we are hoping the number would go above 100. Right. And the second part was the part of solid waste management. Again, I am very happy to announce on behalf of my state that in Maharashtra we have 3 towns which are totally Swachh. The town of Pachgani, which we all know, now segregates its solid waste. And in fact, we believe that the key to achieving sustainable solutions in solid waste is actually segregation. It is segregation of the biodegradable and the recyclable that can give value to waste. And that is what our towns are practicing, because the biodegradable waste gets processed. It can be converted into very, very good compost, which can actually lead to a whole new thing of organic food that is required. So Pachgani is a Swachh town. It's 100% Swachh. So is Vengurla. But what I wanted to pledge, and earlier in the day we discussed this with the Chief Minister, is we already have a lakh employee in the state who are committed to doing 1 hour of Shramadhan in a week. So if you add the numbers, that is a lakh employee doing 1 hour of Shramadhan.
That's a lakh hours of work.
That's a lakh hours
1 lakh? No, hang on, my maths is not quite... How many employees?
We have 1
lakh 1 hour,
employees.
so they are pledging now?
They have already pledged, and in fact, they have been working towards it. I think the only thing was that we were not documenting it.
So now, if you are documenting it and as part of this, and that's what Devendra ji is saying.
Yes.
So 1 lakh,
1 lakh
50 weekends they're going to spend?
Yes. 50 weeks.
1 hour each.
1 hour each.
That's 50 lakhs.
It's 50 lakhs, yes.
So 50 lakhs has just been added to that number. That's employees in Maharashtra.
State of Maharashtra's pledge.
These are the employees in the state of Maharashtra who are pledging 50 hours, each of them, 1 lakh employees, 50 hours in a year each. That's 50 lakhs.
50 lakhs, yes.
And that, sir, is that number which you just
1.3.
1 crore hours. That figure has just been crossed. But thank you so much. And those are employees, and this is something which they are voluntarily coming forward to do.
They have been doing it for the last 1 year, but from now on we would certainly document. And
so you're saying they've been doing it on a voluntary basis, but now it's going to be, you're going to be monitoring it and counting it as part of the pledge here.
And as a part of the whole initiative which the state has taken up under Swachh Bharat, Swachh Maharashtra, when you have this event next year, as I said, we would have 100 plus townships which will be completely open defecation free, and at least 50 cities and towns which would be 100% Swachh.
All right.
Because it's with these small steps.
No, this is not a small step.
that we would be achieving the
मैं
goal of
जितने
Swachh.
भी हमारे दर्शक देख रहे हैं और जो अलग-अलग प्रांतों से देख रहे हैं, उनसे भी मैं आग्रह करूंगा कि देखिए ये एक बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण है अभी आपके सामने, जो आपको महाराष्ट्र से मिल रहा है. हम चाहेंगे कि आप अपने प्रांत को भी इस काबिल बनाएं कि इनके साथ आप मुकाबला कर सकें.
So these are all the employees in Maharashtra. 50 hours each of them is going to spend towards
next
cleanliness,
one, yes.
towards swachhata in the next 1 hour. And we are, actually it's a great idea. We should urge all other states to come
Yes,
forward and
absolutely,
do
yeah.
this, because obviously the numbers will grow. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much. And
Thank you.
to
Thank you
give
so
our
much,
regards to Fadnavis ji.
Thank you.
Yesterday he did tell us that he's appealing to all his employees to do this. Now a concrete number has come out. That's really great. Thank you so much. Thank you.